Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Music Lessons That You Never Asked For. Some of y'all were wondering how I was able to catch on to guitar pretty quickly. That's only because I have experience with the piano. I was into music way before I ever thought about making clothes. That music knowledge will transition to any instrument. So if I decided to play the flute or the saxophone, the violin, I could take what I know about music theory and transfer it to that. And it's only a matter of getting the coordination and the dexterity down. But I want to tell you more about where I'm at with the guitar. But in order to do that, it would make more sense if I just start from a ground level. So today, I want to teach you a few things about the piano. I want to make these videos very quick, usually less than 3 minutes or so, but let's get into it. This is a keyboard. A piano has 88 keys. Keyboards are digital versions of a piano, and they usually have somewhere less than 88. This one you're looking at has 49. The piano can seem intimidating because there are so many keys. However, it's really just 12 notes repeated over and over and over. Let's focus on this section right here. From this note to this note. These are the 12 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you start over right here. And as you observe the piano, you'll notice if we look at the black keys, you have a pair of black notes and a triplet. And that is repeated over. You have a pair, triplet, pair, triplet, pair, triplet, and so on. The notes are the same, they're just at different octaves. So these pair of black keys is going to sound the same as you go up, just in a higher octave. So if you can understand these 12 notes right here, you can understand the rest of the piano. Let's start with the white keys. The note immediately to the left of the pair of black keys is always your C. The pair of black keys to the left, C. Pair to the left, C. I'm starting here with C, only pressing the white notes. It's C, D, E, F, G. Then we go back to A, B, and then we start over at C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and start over again, C. So out of the 12 notes, 7 are white, 5 are black. Let's talk about the black notes. These are considered sharps or flats, depending on where you start. If the black note is to the right of a note, it's a sharp. If it's to the left, it's a flat. So this is C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat, F sharp or G flat, G sharp or A flat, A sharp or B flat. So if we're descending the piano, this will be B flat, A flat, G flat, E flat, D flat, or C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. So those are your 12 notes, okay? 7 white keys, 5 black keys. The blacks are the sharps and flats. The note to the immediate left of the pair of black keys will always be the C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C.